Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the video. My name is Saumil Shah. I'm a full stack software engineer. In this video tutorial series, I'm going to be teaching you about Amazon Kinesis. What is Amazon Kinesis? Why is it so popular in industries? Why most of the companies are using Amazon Kinesis? So you should definitely learn this. So let me read a couple of definitions and then I'm going to just give you an overview of what Amazon Kinesis is. And in the next tutorial, we'll be basically creating a data stream. We'll be using Python, Boto 3 to do that. So let's understand what is Kinesis. I'm going to read a couple of definition. Amazon Kinesis, a data firehouse, is the easiest way to reliably load streaming data into data lakes, data stores, and data analytics tools. It captures, transforms, and loads streaming data to Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, Amazon Elasticsearch, and Splunk, enabling near real-time analytics with existing BI tools and dashboards you already are using today. So that kind of makes sense. So it's basically used in creating data lakes, data stores, and near real-time data. So for IoT devices and stuff like that. All right, enough of talking. Let us see a small video from Amazon on Amazon Kinesis, and then I'm going to show you a demo that we are going to do in this project.
Deliver powerful interactive experiences. New item recommendations based on recent searches. Alerts about potentially fraudulent transactions. Game adaptations during gameplay. To do this, applications collect and process data as it's generated, then use the data to update application experiences and engage users in near real time. This can deliver great user experiences, but building the back-end infrastructure to do the data collection and processing can be really hard. It requires provisioning and managing a fleet of servers to buffer and batch the data arriving from hundreds of thousands of sources simultaneously. If one of those servers goes down or something goes wrong in the data stream, you can lose data, and that great user experience can become not so great. Amazon Kinesis Firehose helps make sure that doesn't happen by making it easy for you to collect and process streaming data reliably, as easy as a few clicks in the AWS Management Console. Firehose scales automatically as volume and throughput varies and takes care of stream management, including batching, compressing, encrypting, and loading the data to Amazon Redshift, Kinesis Analytics, S3, and Amazon Elasticsearch Service, without you building custom streaming applications or managing infrastructure. Plus, there's no minimum fee or setup cost, so you pay only for the data you transmit. By letting you ingest streaming data quickly and automating administration tasks, Firehose frees you to focus on your application and on delivering great real-time user experiences. To learn more about Amazon Kinesis Firehose, visit aws.amazon.
All right, guys. So just to let you know, I'm not getting paid by Amazon to make all these videos. These are the things I've been using in my industries and professionally, and I want to teach you guys, okay? So let's get started. So what are we going to learn in this tutorial? So here you can see I already do have a Kinesis Firehose data stream, basically. So what I'm doing is basically whatever data or whatever logs I want to do or whatever analytics I want to do, everything is basically sent to this Kinesis Firehose, a data stream. I'm going to show you, okay? Don't worry about that. We'll learn everything step by step. This is just an overview. So basically, I do have a Firehose here created. Oh yeah, right here. So it's kind of slow. So I do have a Firehose basically when I send data. So think of a Firehose as a pipe. So water flows through the pipe, right? So even the data will flow through the pipe, and the end of the pipe is connected to a bucket where the water is being collected, right? How easy I'm explaining you. See this, we have a pipe, I'm sending water through the pipe, and the end of the pipe is basically inside a bucket, right? So the water is being collected in the bucket, and once the bucket is full, I simply replace with a new bucket. You see, makes sense, guys? So that is what Amazon Firehose or basically Kinesis is. So we send the data through a pipe, it goes to the S3 bucket or Redshift or whatever you want. You can use BI tool to query that data. You can use for dashboards and stuff, you can use QuickSight, and for to query the data, you can use Athena and stuff like that. So guys, so here you can see I have a Firehose and I have an data on S3. Here you can see. So basically, it automatically writes the data and creates it into a folder 2020, then the date, and then the particular day and month. So here you can see, right? That's the GZ file. It already compresses the data, right? So if I want to show you the Python script, I'm gonna make this as a state-of-the-art design pattern. Gonna write object-oriented code, but just want to show you how it looks like. So let me add a breakpoint. So consider we want to upload a JSON data, right? Of course, we will be uploading JSON, right? So let me do this, guys. Just want to show you how the format of the data or how the JSON should look like. I tried a couple of formats of JSON and this is what worked for me. You have to basically make sure that you convert the data into it's like a blob, but with a new line character. Okay, so here you can see the data should be like a byte or a blob, whatever you say, and at the end it should be a new line character. So now if I open my Atom editor or if I show you the GZ file, hopefully I already downloaded it to show you an example of how the process look like. So if I go to Atom, these are the stuff like people are using in industries, right? Like they create a fire hose, a data stream and stuff like that. So now, come on, yeah. So here you can see these are my data. Now if you want to read this, you would use pandas read.json and you would say new line equals to true. Basically so basically you can, that's how like people deliver data who are selling data. They'll compress it in a GZ file on a bucket. They'll share you the bucket. As an engineer or a data scientist, you would be reading the data from the buckets like a compressed file, and you would see if it is a JSON, what's the delimiter and stuff like that. So this is a very overview basically of the entire process, how it works like, right? So you have a API, everything is in a Docker container, it's sending data to Amazon Kinesis Firehose. The Firehose is basically sending data to S3. You have basically a buffer, right? And once you can also do Athena, you can query the data from S3 and stuff like that. So this is a very brief interview on Amazon Kinesis or Firehose. If you have really enjoyed this tutorial, if you found it informative, please do give a like to this video. The next video we will be actually creating our first Firehose, right? We'll be creating that. We will be creating, we'll be writing some Python code to upload JSON data on that Kinesis Firehose, and that data would be basically sent to S3. And later on, if you want, we can use Athena to query that data which is there in the S3 bucket. All right, guys, I hope this video was informative. If so, do give a like. If you have any more questions, please list your questions in the comment section below, and I would be very happy to assist you. All right, see you in the next video.